Hi guys, this is Arun. Welcome to my YouTube channel Physics by Arun Yadav. Now today's we will discuss about quantity in physics. In physics we will discuss about the quantity into categorized into three categories. First one is fundamental quantity, and second one is derived quantity, and third one is physical quantity. Okay, now there are three types of quantities named as fundamental quantities, derived quantities, and third one is physical quantities. Physical quantities can be further divided into three categories. First one is scalar quantity, second one is vector quantity, and third one is tensor quantity. Okay, there are three types of physical quantity named as scalar, vector, and tensor. Now today's we will discuss only two quantities named as fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Physical quantities we will discuss in next video. Okay, then now start to discuss about fundamental quantities. Now write down first quantity is fundamental quantities. This is very important. Fundamental quantities. Okay, fundamental quantities is does not depend on any other quantities. That means it is independent. It does not depend on any other quantities. That is, those quantities which cannot be produced with the help of any other quantities is called fundamental quantities. Those quantities which cannot be produced with the help of any other quantity is called fundamental quantities. Write down those quantities which cannot be produced with the help of any other quantities is called fundamental quantities. In short we can write FQ. FQ means what? Fundamental quantities. Okay, is it clear? Those quantities which cannot produced with the help of any other quantities is called fundamental quantities. That means fundamental quantity is free from any other quantities. It does not depend on any other quantity. It is independent. Okay, now we have three fundamental quantities. First one is mass, second one length, and the third one is time. There are three types of fundamental quantity, are three fundamental quantity named as mass, length, and time. Okay, now next, second one is derived quantity. Derived quantity is what? It is depend on any other quantities. That means those quantities which can be expressed with the help of any other quantity is called derived quantity. Then write down those quantity which are produced which are produced which are produced with the help of any other quantity is called derived quantity. This is depending on fundamental quantities. That means we can say that if two quantities are merged to each other, then we will get what? Derived quantity. For example, force. Force is a what? Derived quantity. It does not fundamental quantity, because force is nothing but this is the product of mass and acceleration. There are two quantities. First one is mass, second one is acceleration. These two quantities formed a third type of quantities named as force, and this quantity is what? Which type of quantity? This is a derived quantity because it is formed two quantities, mass and acceleration. Okay, mass is what? This is fundamental quantities, and acceleration is a derived quantities because acceleration is nothing but this is the rate of change of velocity with the passage of time. This is the second law of Newton's, F is equals to m into a. Okay, the second example is that we take linear momentum. Linear momentum. That is P is equals to m into v. Linear momentum is nothing but this is the product of mass and velocity of any body. Here we have two quantities. First one is mass and second one is velocity. That is, linear momentum is formed with the help of two quantities, mass and velocity. That's why it is a what? Derived quantity. Mass is what? Fundamental quantities, and velocity is derived quantities, because velocity is nothing but this is the rate of change of displacement with the passage of time. Okay, then linear momentum is also a what? Derived quantity. We can take another example, etc. Okay, this is sufficient for derived quantity and fundamental quantity. This is all about two quantities, fundamental and second one is derived quantity. And next video we will discuss about physical quantity. That is, there are three types of physical quantity. First one is scalar, second one is vector, and third one is what? Tensor quantity. Now today is only two quantities discuss. First one is fundamental and second one is derived. Now this is all about for today. Thank you.